session of number series. As you know, in the previous 3 sessions, we already have talked about the missing number series, all details about the missing number series, its importance. In the second part, we talked about the wrong number series, and then in the previous class, we talked about new pattern or the new type of questions of the number series questions, right? Today we will cover the new pattern number series, and when you talk about the new pattern number series part 2, obviously it will be covering some different style of question being asked in the latest exam or in the previous exams other than the missing number or in the wrong number. Obviously, no need to say that the new pattern or the new style of the number series being asked in the exam are little more time consuming than dealing with missing number or a wrong number or a straightforward missing number or wrong number. But we also need to see this because what happens is they sometimes ask these questions in a form of caselet. So they give you the one set of a story, and based on that they may ask you 2 questions or 3 questions or maybe 5 questions on it. Okay, so today we will be covering 3 different style of number series questions asked in the previous year exams. So let's look at the 3 different type 4, type 5, type 6. Let me tell you, in the previous class we already have discussed 3 different types. One was like a double liner but a correct number series and a blank series. Second was a double liner but the wrong number series and the blank series starting with a certain number. Third was double liner, one is a wrong number series and another was a blank series whose first number was not even given in the question. It was given as the right number of the wrong number series, something like that. So today we will be talking about 3 more different types of new style of number series or new pattern of number series. Let's look at the first type. Let's read the directions. In the following question, there are 3 series. That means in one question, there are 3 series. You have to identify the missing term A, B and C in each of the series, and then you have to establish a relation, say, between A, B and C. So obviously these questions will be little more time consuming, but let's see whether we can do it very easily or not. Okay, so these are the 3 number series is given. We have to figure out the value of A, the value of B and the value of C, and then I have to create a relationship between A, B and C. I hope you understood the style, you understood the question, right? Okay, so let's look at each number series one by one. So let me have some space on my slide. I'm looking at the first number series. I can clearly see this difference is 9 and in fact this is plus 9. Okay, perfect. I can see this difference is 19 and 17, 36. It is minus 36. If it is 9, it is 36. 9 is 3 square, 36 is 6 square. Maybe this is 5 square. Okay, and maybe this is 4 square. If this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So 81 plus 25 I know is 106. Please check, is it validated for other numbers? I mean, please check whether this is 49. Yes. So the first number series differences are consecutive square with alternate plus minus. The first number series is decoded. Let's look at the second number series. By looking at this rapid change, I can say probably it is a series based on multiplication. Whenever we deal with multiplication based series, we connect the bigger number first. So let me look at this. This is into 3. 13 3s are 39 minus 4. Okay. If you look at this is 8 2s are 16 minus 3. Because it cannot be 8 3s are minus something. That minus number will be used. Look at this. 10 1s are 10 minus 2. Yes, I got the pattern. So tell me, what is this? 35 into 4, 140. 140 minus 5 is 135. So note down the value of A is 106 Value of B is 135. I hope this is clear. Right? Okay. Looking at the next one, what exactly happening here? All the numbers seems like a multiple of 3. Anyone? I can see this is, it is into half for sure. I can see this is, it is into half for sure. Okay. So by looking at this alternate trend, I think this is also into half. What does it mean? The value of C is 96. What does it mean? The value of C is 96. If you want to further validate, look at this 48 and 72. Can I say this is into 1.5? 48 plus 24, 48 plus half of 48. So seems like into 1.5 into 1.5. So it is an alternate series, and multiplying by half 1.5, half 1.5, half 1.5. It can be done very well. No doubt. Yes. So I got the value of A, value of B, and value of C. 106, 135 and 96. Clear? So I have the values of A, B, C. What was the values? 106, 135 and 96. Let's see which relation will justify here. Can I say B is the greatest? It is greater than A as well as greater than C. So I think the option A is a correct answer. This is called type 4, where we can very easily decode the 3 number series and then establish a relationship. No need to say these questions are time consuming. So maybe in the exams which are trickier in nature. Okay, right. This is another example of type 4. So obviously I need to have space of, to solve the 3 number series. So let's look at this and try to figure out what exactly can be done. Look at the first number series and figure out what exactly can be done here. First number series, 9, 5, 6, 23, 60. 23, 60. So tell me guys, is it a difference based? I don't think so. 23 2s are 42, 46. 23 3s are 69. No, it is not double, it is not triple. Okay. Starting from here, 9 5, 9 into 0.5 is 4.5 plus 0.5. Okay, great. It is into 0.5 plus 0.5. See, I started exploring 2360, but I could not get something special. So I break my standard rule that connect the bigger number first. I started thinking from 9. Okay, this 0.5 give me an understanding that this should be into 1 plus 1. By this way, this should be into 1.5 plus 1.5 probably. Let's look at 6 into 1.5 is 9. 9 plus 1.5, 10.5. Clear? 10.5 is the number, right? Now multiply by 2 plus 2, yes, 23. So this should be into 2.5 plus 2.5. That means I get the value of A is 10.5. I also get the trend. I also get the pattern. I don't think there is any doubt. Second number series seems easy, I believe, because I can see a rapid change. If you look at 13 5s are 65, it is close to into 5. 136 5s are is 680 plus 5. 33 4s are 33 5s are is little is bigger than 136. 33 4s are is 132 plus 4. Yes, I got it. So it is into 4 plus 4, into 3 plus 3, into 2 plus 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So you get the value of B is 10. Now after this you can start looking at options, that which options are eliminated, because I know A is greater than B. If I start looking at options, I know A is greater than B. This option is not correct. A is less than B, not correct. A is equal to B, not correct. A is equal to C and greater than B, may be correct. A is less than B, not correct. So I hope my answer is automatically there. Because if value of A is definitely greater than value of B, right? I started eliminating option. A is less than C and C is equal to B. Indirectly I am saying A is less than B, not correct. A is less than B, not correct. A is equal to B, not correct. A is less than B, not correct. So I think this is the only option I left with. So it may happen in the real exam as well that without completing all the three number series, your answer can be there. So that's what I always say, keep eye on the options. Always keep your eyes open. That's what in a simple words. Now still, let's say if I want to complete the third number series, so anyone can figure out what is the pattern? Is it multiplication type? No. No. Let me take this difference. It is 15.5. Clear? Let me take this difference. It is 20.5. Let me take this difference. It is 25.5. So I got the trend now. Every time the difference increasing by 5. So this should be 10.5 and this should be 5.5. That means what is the value of C? 10.5. So what is the value of C? 10.5. Now we can verify the answer. A is equal to C but greater than B. A is equal to C but greater than B. Although without completing the third series, I could have answered the number series. I could have answered my question. It is quite possible in exam. So I think you are fine with type 4. Let's look at the type 5 now. So what is type 5? Let's see it upfront. Read the directions. In the following question, two wrong number series are given. That means series 1 and series 2 both are wrong number series. You are supposed to answer question based on the given number series. Okay. So what is the question? Let's see that. Instead of decoding these wrong number series, let's see. They are saying find the square of the wrong term of the series 1. So we have to decode the first series and identify the wrong number of that series and then square of that number. So if I look at the first series, anyone can help me with? Think about it. I'm just giving you 2-3 seconds to look over it and then obviously I'm going to teach you. Now, since this question is talking about only the series 1, right? We will only focus on the series 1. We will only focus on the series 1. Okay. So let's have some space. If I look at the series 1, obviously it is not a series based on multiplication because it is not a rapid move like 68 double. It is significantly less than double. 42 double, 84, 42 not close to double. So let me take differences now. What are the differences? 1, 6, 10, 17, 26 and 32 and 5, 37. Okay. Now if I look at these numbers, I can see something very special. 26, 37 is 11, 17, 26 is 9, 10, 17 is 7. Wonderful. 7, 9, 11. So don't you think this number should be 5? And this number should be 5, 7, 9, 11. This number should be 3. Clear? So what does it mean? This number should be 10, 5 and this number should be 2. Clear? That means this number is wrong. What is this number? 10. What is this number? 10. What is the series based on? Double difference. Wrong number is 9. So my answer is 9 square. Answer is 81. I hope you get it. No doubt about it. So this is type 5 when they can ask you a one particular number series. Okay, answer is 81. The next question on the same caselet or the same set is here on the screen. So if you look at this, we have to look at the second number series now. Okay, that means I only need to solve the second number series. Do I have space for second number series? Let me build that space. Or in fact, we can do it here only. Okay, let me write it here: 60, 180, 450, 900. I can see this is double, clear. 1350. Okay, I can see this is into 1.5, clear. And then 1380. Oh, great. I could see it should be into 1. So what I am estimating that this number should be 1350. Just by writing the number series, I can decode it. The next pattern with the same approach should be 0.5. So yes, it is 675. So do we get the wrong number? Yes. What is the wrong number? 1380. What is the wrong number? 1380. Okay. Which of the following statement is true about n by 30 plus 1? So n by 30, let me change the color to blue. N is 1380 by 3, 30 plus 1. So it is 3 4s are 3 6s are 46 plus 1, 47. So tell me what is true about 47? Is it a prime number? Yes. Sum of the digit of the number is less than 9. 4 plus 7 is 11. Is it less than 9? No. It gives a remainder 4 when divided by 5. If you divide 47 by 5, remainder is 2. 5 9s are 45 plus 2. So this is also not correct. That means answer is Beef Bombay, if I am not wrong. Please check. Let's verify whether my answer is correct or not. Yes. So I hope everything is fine now. We have understood this very well, that there can be a number series in a form of caselet. What is important to handle such questions? That is understanding wrong number series, is understanding missing number series, is understanding how to tackle number series. Okay, let's look at the another form of question that been asked in the paper. So now let's move on to type 6. Let's see what exactly is a type 6. Just look at this question. This looks like a DI question, right? So if you look at this question, in the following question pattern, the series is given, okay, and there are two series are given. Okay, if you look at the pattern, a square plus 4, b square plus 4, c square plus 4, d square plus 4, e square plus 4. So this is little different from the kind of question we already have seen. In this question, the pattern is already given, followed by two series is given. So let's see what exactly the question is demanding us before I start doing anything, right? So let's look at the question. Seems like a lengthy question. If you read this statement, we have to identify which of the following statements are correct. In such questions, your approach should not be to check each and every statement. Your approach should be to check that what is the correct option or what is the wrong option. So instead of looking for the correct option, you can better look for eliminating option. In some of the cases, just by analyzing, let's say the statement 1, you left with just one correct option, 4 incorrect option. So if you read the statement 1, it says in the series 1, the average of A, B, C and E is 60. So we have to decode the series 1. And statement 3 is also talking about series 1. So let's decode the series 1 as well as the series 2 if you want to decode, right? So let's look at what is the series 1. The pattern is already given, and just think about the nearest Punnett square to each of them, or subtract 4 from it and then think about the nearest square. So it is 144, that means 12 square. So value of A is 12 for series 1. 200 minus 4, 196, it is 14 square. 260 minus 4, 256, so it is 16 square. 328 minus 4, 324, so it is 18 square. 404 minus 4, is 400. So it is 20 square. That means the value of A, B, C, D, E are 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 consecutive even numbers, right? So let's look at the statement 1. What is the statement 1? It says in the series 1, the average of A, you remember A was 12, B was 14, C was 16, 12, 14, 16, D was 18, remember. So E is 20. Average of A, B, C, E is 16, 14 and 16 is 30, 12 and 20 is 32, 30 and 32 is 62. So average is 62 by 4, which is not equal to 60. That means the statement 1 is not correct. If statement 1 is not correct, I can eliminate some options. Statement 1 is not correct. That means I can eliminate option E and I can eliminate option. Clear? Look at the statement 3 now, because we already have decoded the series 1. A was 12, I remember. E was 20. So 12 into 20, 240. Is it equal to 5 times of B? B was still written 14. Then consecutive even number 16. Then 18. So 16 and 14, 30. 30 and 18, 48. 48 5s are 240. Left side, right side, both are equal. So statement 3 is correct. Clear? Statement 1 was wrong. Statement 3 is correct. So I can say if statement 3 is correct, answer is not A, because it is only talking about statement 2. My answer can be still option B or option C. Can I avoid checking statement 2? No. And if I need to check the statement 2, I need to check the series 2 also, because it is talking about series 2. So let's verify what is the series 2. Clear? Series 2, if you look at the pattern again, A square plus 4, 85 minus 4 is 81. It is 9 square. So A is 9. 125 minus 4, 121. 121 is 11 square. 173 minus 4 is 169. So it is 13 square. This is 293 minus 4, 289. This is 17 square. If you look at this 9, 11, 13.